I will now show you another example of the use of a while loop, an example in which we investigate how long it takes to get enough signatures for a petition. So imagine the following scenario. Suppose we start with 3 friends who create and sign a petition. They would like to know how long it will take to gather 1,000 signatures for their petition. And here's how this works. On day 1, each friend, so each of these 3 friends, will find 2 new people to sign the petition. And the next day, these new people will be asked to also help spread the word and each find 2 new people to sign the petition, who in turn will, on that following day, also go out and each find 2 new people to sign the petition, and so forth. How long will it take to reach 1,000 signatures? I'll show you a program that will accomplish this task. So what do we need? We have a variable that holds how many signatures are actually needed. That way you can change that and play around with this number later. So signatures needed, and we said that would be 1,000 for now. What other variables do we need? Well, we need a variable that counts what day it is, and initially it's day 0, so I might just as well initialize that as 0. And how many signatures do we have so far? Well, the 3 friends start out by signing the petition, so new signatures initially is 3, and also the total number of signatures is equal to 3, because initially they're the only ones to sign the petition, so those are new signatures, and that's also the total number of signatures. And now we want to keep having friends go out and collect new signatures while we have not collected more than 1,000 signatures yet. So while some condition, we want to go out and collect new signatures. So what's the condition? Well, we need this total number of signatures to not have reached 1,000 yet. How do I check that? Well, I check whether total signatures is less than 1,000. While that is the case, I need the new signatories to go out and find more friends to sign the petition. So if that even happens, then we advance a day. So day plus plus, that's the same as day equals day plus 1, because there's always a day that passes before the new people go out and find more people to sign the petition. So now that they go out and find new friends, how many friends do these new people find? Each friend finds 2 more people to sign the petition. So the new signatures is going to be twice as many as we had before, because each person goes out and finds 2 people to sign the petition. So those are going to be the new signatures. It's not that everybody who has already signed always goes back out and finds 2 more people. That would be the use of total signatures here. It's only the newbies who go out and find 2 friends. After that, you're done. You don't have to keep going out every day and find new people to sign. So it's only the new people who each find new people. All right. So that's the new signatures. And then how do we update our total signatures? Well, the total number of signatures is going to the previous total number of signatures plus these new ones. And then we again find out whether total signatures is still less than 1,000, and if so, repeat this whole process. We should probably also print out some things. We should print out where we're at. So how about right here, we add a printf statement that says what day it is, first of all, day %d, and also how many signatures are collected that are new this day. So %d, new signatures. And then you want to print out the day for the first %d and new signatures for the second %d. And then once we've computed the total number of signatures, we want to print that out as well. So printf total %d, and then we start a new line after that. Total signatures. All right, that's it. So let's compile and run this code, but we're going to run it step by step so we can really follow what's going on. So compile, And now I use the step-by-step feature to run this code. The first thing we do is we initialize and declare our variables. So signatures needed is a 1000. Right now it's day 0, and the 3 friends get together and sign that petition. So the new signatures on day 0 are 3, and that gets the total number of signatures also to 3 because that's all there is so far. So next, we check the while loop condition. Is the total number of signatures less than 1000? Well, it's 3 right now, definitely less than 1000. They have to go out and find friends to sign. So we enter the loop, and the day increases to day 1. On day 1, each of these friends is going to find 2 new people to sign the petition. There's 3 friends. Each of them finds 2 new people. So that's 6 people they're going to find altogether for new signatures. So new signatures is going to be 6. So on day 1, we're going to print out on day 1, we're going to get 6 new signatures. That gets the total number of signatures to 9 because we already had 3 signatures on the petition from the original signing of the 3 friends, and then the 6 new ones. So it gets us to 9 total signatures. The total number of signatures is still less than 1000, so the loop condition is still satisfied. So we're entering the loop again. The day is increased to 2. And now each of the 6 people that were found on day 1 goes out and each finds 2 people for themselves to sign the petition. So that gives us 12 new signatures that day. So let's get printed out. On day 2, we get 12 new signatures. And that should get the total number of signatures to 9 plus 12, which equals 21. So now we have 21 signatures. It's still less than 1000, so now it's day 3. Those 12 people who were recruited on the previous day go out and each find 2 people. So that gets us 24 new signatures on day 3 for a total of 45 signatures. And then it's day 4, 48 new signatures for a total of 93. It's day 5. We have 96 new signatures for a total of 189. Now it's day 6. We have 192 new signatures for a total of 381. We're getting up there. Now it's day 7, and we have 384 new signatures for a total of 765, almost there. It's day 8. We get 768 new signatures, and that gets the total to 1,533 signatures. So now we have enough signatures. It is no longer the case that total signatures is less than 1,000. 1,533 is greater than 1,000. The loop condition is no longer satisfied. And so we exit the loop and we exit the program. The program terminates. So in order to really understand what just happened, you should now go and play. Change some values. For example, you might change the initial number of signatures needed, or you might change how many friends you start with. You might change how many new signatures each friend collects each day, and so forth. Play with some of these values so that you can really well understand how this while loop works. And be sure to execute it in step-by-step mode so that you can appreciate and understand what's happening.